Okay, so everyone, I decided to do a little quick video here of how to get the buttons working on this remote a little bit better. I ran into a problem where it took 2 presses to make a change on the screen. I don't know if you can hear it, but right now it's working a little bit better. It was taking 2 presses to get the down arrow to work. Now it seems to be working almost every press. So what I did was, there's a lady online showing how to actually take it all apart because somebody had put oil in it or something like that. And I started doing that, and I said to myself, I started marring it, and it's not good. So I didn't want to do that. So I took my little precision screwdriver and decided to, let me see if I can get up underneath here to see if I can, maybe there's a screw up underneath here or something. Maybe I can pull it out or something. So I got my precision screwdriver. I dug up underneath this one here, and I think I tore it a little bit, and this one here, and then I found out that this piece comes up. This side came up real easy. So then you can see the silver contacts down there, and so I decided, let me just go ahead and clean that with some little bit of alcohol on the Q-tip, and then dry it, and see if that works. I got up underneath I figured I got ahead and get all the buttons while I'm there. I was able to get this thing all the way to the other side. And make sure there's no dirt in there or anything. And if this doesn't work, what I'll do is I'll do the old-fashioned way and get an eraser, the old pencil eraser trick. Now it looks like this is plastic here, so I'm not sure if this is going to work. Might have to actually take this apart like the lady was showing and get up underneath there, because the contacts looks like up underneath the plastic. So if this doesn't work, I'll have to take it apart. But anyway, it seems to be working better already.